Hello everyone. Respected principal, dignities in dais and all my dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to extend to you a very warm welcome on behalf of the BP College Kinwat. I would like to express my views on the topic to achieve goals in your life. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. We heard Vikramaditya's story. Vikram was a brave king. Once he had to fight against large army with just few soldiers. Then suddenly he realizes he cannot fight with them. Then he had to run away and reached in the forest. He took shelter in the forest cave. He was very depressed. His encourage had left him. He was blankly gazing at ceiling of the cave. An interesting scene captured his attention. A small spider was trying to wave a web across the cave ceiling. As the spider crawled up, a thread of the web broke and the spider fell down. But the spider did not give up. He tried to climb again and again. Finally, the spider successfully climbed up and completed the web. Vikram began to think, if a small spider can face failure so bravely, why should I give up? I will try with all might till I win. This thought gave strength to the defeated king. Vikram got out of the jungle and collected his brave soldiers. He fought against the large army. He was defeated again, but now he would not give up his fight. Vikram again and again fought against the large army and finally, after many attempts, defeated the large army and regained his kingdom. He had learned lesson from the spider is perseverance paves ways to success. So my dear student, always remember nothing is impossible in our life. If you want success in your life, so first you want some qualities in your life. First you think and decide your goal. For this goal, you constantly acquire knowledge because knowledge is most powerful weapon which you can change the world. Do hard work and defeat all the hurdles in your life and get success. Success comes from going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Do you know how many students appear in competitive exam? Every year, 5 lakh students fill the form, and how many success in this exam? Only the 0.001% students success in their goals and in this exam. Everyone work hard to achieve their goals and to fulfill their dreams, but still there are very few people who achieve success. The reality is that those people who got success never give up on their dreams and work hard and continuously to achieve success and goals in their life. And on the other hand, those people who did not get the success, they easily give up on their dreams and stop following their goals in the midway. Now, some people say that there are a lot of difficulties in their way. But, my dear friends, today I want to clear one thing that there are always a lot of difficulties in everyone's life. But only those persons got success who face those difficulties with the courage and continues the same path to achieve success and his goals. Those persons who change their path, their dreams just become difficulties, they never got success in their life. We all have to face difficulties in life, but we should never give up and we should not change our path from those little problems. We have to face them with the courage and remove those difficulties from our life. Failure happens, it happens all the time to everyone, and sometimes can have a bad effect on us depending on the way we react to it. The greatest example when it comes down to failure is the American inventor Thomas Edison. He failed more than 10,000 times before he created the light bulb. but still his stage says that I have not failed thousand times. I have just found thousand ways that it would not work. This line this line impact on my life. He teaches that I should never give up in life and always keep trying to achieve success in my life. And I'm sure that if you implement it in your life and understand it properly, then it can also make a big change in your life. So, change your thoughts and you can change your world. Believe that life is a worth living and your belief will help create the face. So develop some qualities like positive attitude, patient, uh, perseverance, confidence, believe in yourself, and do hard work in your life. Always remember four tips. I will have a great aim. I will continuously acquire knowledge. I will do hard work. I will face them and succeed. And suppose you fail in your life, so remember that failure is only the opportunity to begin more intelligently. Okay? Thank you. Thank you for all.